Hey guys, in this guide, I'll be showing you how you can add a clock widget to your Windows 11 desktop. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Start menu and just search for Windows Store, and then head over to the Microsoft Store. From the search box at the top here, we need to search for Widget Launcher. Hit enter, and then come over to this first application here, this widget launcher, and simply click the Get button, and this should only take a couple of seconds to install. So once that's finished, we can then launch up the application, and as you can see, there's a bunch of different widgets that we can choose here. The one we're going to be using is this digital clock, so go ahead and select that. From the right hand side, we have a selection of what skin we can use for the clock. You can either choose this dark theme or the light theme. I'm going to go ahead and select the light theme. You can also play around with the colors here and change the transparency. And once you finish, just go ahead and select Launch Widget. And as you can see, that's now going to bring up the digital clock on our desktop. And we can actually just left click and drag this to reposition it where we want on the screen. So I think I'm going to have mine over in this right hand corner. And if you want to make any adjustments to the clock, then we can simply come over to the settings menu here. And you can choose to change it to a 24-hour clock by toggling this on and hitting OK. And we can also come back over to the settings, come over to change skin, and we can make changes to the appearance of it here. So I can change it to this dark theme, and you can also change the transparency. Just press apply, and it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create the clock widget inside of Windows 11. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.